Hello ceramic student. Today I'm going to teach you how to use our coil machine. This right here is the coil machine. It's really easy to use. There's very little that could go wrong as long as you follow the directions. When we use the coil machine, we need some clay that we have wedged that's ready to be used. And we want to grab a board, which will make more sense in a second. What I'm going to do here to use the coil machine is I'm going to take this long handle, I'm going to pull it up, and I want to take this plunger, or this interior part, I want to take this out so that I can put my clay inside. I'm going to take my clay, and if my clay was in a ball or whatever shape it may have been in, I want to give it a nice little whack, and I want to pound it into the shape of basically a baked potato or a torpedo, something that will go inside this cylinder really easily. I'm going to drop it inside of here. Then I'm going to lift this handle up and I'm going to put that plunger back inside. Now I guess you might be able to pinch your finger here, so just please be careful not to do that. And then I'm going to take this plunger and I'm going to start to apply some pressure. Now I want to make sure that that board is right underneath my coil machine so that it can catch the coils, because I always want to want to leave as little mess as possible, because everything that I leave behind I'm responsible to clean up. So I'm going to put this board right here, I'm going to give this a little bit of pressure, I'm going to lean onto it, and voila! Like spaghetti noodles, coils just kind of pop on out of there. I'm going to gradually increase that pressure. You know, you can use your body weight, you can have a buddy help you out. We're going to lean on this. We're going to push our coils out nice and slow until they're all done. We're going to wrap them up, make sure they're on our board. And now I can go back to my workstation and start building.